What's up everyone? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video, guys. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how an old woman will look young again, have that baby skin and look flawless. Now this is equally going to heal you up from the inside and you are literally going to be looking very beautiful. Okay, so if you've actually been looking for a way to get younger, look younger without expensive thing here and there, or without Botox, you are at the right video, because this is going to help you a whole freaking lot. Okay, so the very first ingredient which we are going to be making use of is pineapple. Going to be peeling the pineapple. So I'm gonna be transferring this pineapple into this big blender of mine. And then the very next ingredient which we are going to be making use of is cashew fruit. Okay, so you need some good amount of cashew fruit. So I'm gonna also be transferring that into the pineapple blender. And then I'm gonna be making use of cucumber. So I actually went ahead to wash my cucumber. I'm going to be transferring that into the blender, putting some water in it. Then we're going to blend it. I'm gonna be getting a strainer and then I'm gonna be straining this all out. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be making use of orange. Okay guys, so my juice is ready. And this is how it looks like. So for that old woman skin that you think you have or you have already, or your skin is fragile, your skin is looking old, your skin is actually looking older than your age. Okay, so this is a solution for you. This drink is gonna be, oh my goodness, like this drink is gonna bring you up. It's going to bring your skin up. It's going to clean all of those things in your body. It's going to heal you up. It's going to clear your eyesight and make it white. It's going to, you know, make your skin look really pop. The hair on your body is just going to be coming out while your skin is going to be getting fresher. People are actually going to be thinking that you're using cream, but you're not even using nothing. So that's how effective this drink is gonna be for you. So this is how you are gonna be preserving it. Yeah, you're gonna make it in good quantity, large quantity, and then you store it in your refrigerator. Like you put it in a jar, or you put it in a jug, and then you store it. You can actually drink it morning, afternoon, and night. Like for a fast result, just drink it morning, afternoon, night. Whoa. And your skin is gonna be telling. Oh my goodness, like I so much love this drink, and the color is equally amazing. Okay guys, so let me have a take. It tastes really good. It tastes really nice. So go give this a go, morning, afternoon, night, or morning, night, or every morning, however you want it. But you can just make it and store it, and then you enjoy yourself while you look young, while your skin pop up, while you look so glowing. Okay, so that's it guys. Go give this drink a go. It's very healthy. All of the ingredients in there are natural and they are edible ingredients. Okay, so if you do love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again. Love you so much. Bye.